Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about some innovative tree-related products that you might not have heard of. These products are all designed to make our lives easier and more enjoyable, and they're all a great way to show our love for trees. Kradl. Kradl is a tree support system that doesn't attach to trunks directly, promoting root growth and preventing mold. It's ideal for trunks of 2.5 to 5 centimeters and is easy to set up with just a hammer and a few minutes. The supports can be adjusted from 68 to 114 centimeters in height. Price only $37. Uplå. North America's largest trampoline park is located in Canada, near Montreal. The park spans 23,200 square meters and features 7 trampolines, 3 slides, and a tunnel. Visitors can leap between trees up to 6 meters high or try out the 10-meter 2-story trampoline. The park is also home to a variety of other activities, such as a climbing wall, a zip line, and a ball pit. Wasserstein Bird Feeder Camera Case. The Wasserstein Bird Feeder Camera Case is a way to make money by selling bird feeders and capturing photos and videos of the birds that visit them. The case is compatible with Wise, Blink, and Ring cameras, and can be attached to the wall with metal mounts, a strap for trees or poles, or a solar panel. Dronecoria. Dronecoria is a project that uses drones to plant seeds. The team has developed a drone that can plant up to 500,000 seeds per flight. The seeds are coated in a protective layer that helps them survive the planting process. Treewalkers. Treewalkers is an American company that designs and builds tree houses. The company's key innovation is the Tetra Truss system, which allows for the construction of entire villages of tree houses. Treewalkers also handles marketing and bookings for its franchisees, so they can focus on guests. Koja. Koja is a Swedish and Finnish company that designs and builds small, sustainable cabins. The cabins are designed to be accessible to everyone, and can even be set up in city parks. The test version in Finland boasts panoramic windows, providing guests with a stunning view of the natural environment. Bicycle elevator. A bicycle elevator is a whimsical invention that was featured on the TV show Treehouse Masters. It was created by a man who was tired of climbing stairs to his treehouse, so he rigged up an old bicycle, an anchor stone, and a water tank to create a working elevator. The design has since been improved, and it has been in use for over 5 years. A bicycle elevator is a fun and creative way to get up and down a steep slope. It is also a practical solution for people who have difficulty climbing stairs. The bicycle elevator can be used to access tree houses, lofts, and other high places. It is also a great way to add a touch of whimsy to your home or garden. Air pot? Air pot is an advancement in gardening that is benefiting gardeners, fruit and vegetable growers, and landscape designers all over the world. The secret lies in perforations that allow air to reach the roots of plants. This helps to improve drainage and aeration, which in turn promotes root growth and plant health. Air pots are also lightweight and scalable, making them a versatile and user-friendly option for growers of all sizes. Air pots are made from recycled plastic and are shipped worldwide. They are available in a variety of sizes to accommodate different plants. So, those are just a few of the innovative tree-related products that are out there. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.